In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can add preloader and transition into your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to start by clicking on add apps and then click on Shopify app store. Once you are in, you just need to search for Loadify preloader and SEO speed. Click on install. Once you have installed it successfully, next step is you need to simply click on this continue and then you need to simply click on enable app embed. Make sure to click on save on the top right of your screen and save the changes, and you will land on this main dashboard. Let's start by selecting our preloader design. Now this is how the preview will going to look like. In any case, you want to change the color of it according to your color scheme, you can also do so, but you have to purchase their plan in order for you to activate these features. Otherwise, you can also upload your own logo and then you can animate your particular logo. You can scroll down and select the image size, image animation and preloaded logic, which is going to be auto hide. Otherwise, you can scroll down and you can choose when to show the preloader. Now I will choose on every load, and if I scroll down, this is where you can select your page transition and animation. Now you need to upgrade to use this particular option, and at the end you have your pages option, which is going to be specific page or for all the pages. Once you are done and satisfied with the results, you can click on save on the top right corner of your screen. And now if I view my online store, this is how it is going to look like. So that's the way of how you can add a preloader and transition into your Shopify store.